A very good morning to all of you. I've been seeing this as a very, very noble and novel concept, which is never the first of its kind in the world. I remind you one more time, it's first one of its kind in the world to bring all healthcare providers across the world under a single roof and on a common platform. And this is one opportunity which healthcare providers should never forget, nor lose this opportunity which the Indus has floated and provided this unique opportunity. I want all the healthcare providers and the related stakeholders in the system, like the pharmaceutical industry on one side, and paramedical, non-medical, and allied health fraternities, health professionals per se, which has already enumerated the whole list, on which you have n number of speakers, over 200 speakers, already addressing the salient aspects of their respective domains. So I want this to be taken advantage of or utilized by the respective professions across, and make this conference huge. Utilize. I basically understand this as a wonderful opportunity which nobody had never thought about. So this is very precious to not to attend this conference or summit. So I'm very proud and very happy to be associated with the organization, the Indus Foundation, on my personal front, and I thought I would be a representative of my University of Health Sciences, where we are circulating information and the summit details to one and all across, so that they'll have more of delegates. As I already told you, this is very hard to miss the opportunity. So make best use of the credits, the 18 credits that it's accruing. It's on par with the international standards, and the evaluation the system that's been included into the presentations takes it on the world class front. So this is none less than the international forum. So it's a unique opportunity by all standards, and I want the media to take it to all levels and promote it, and then see that we have the best of inputs from diverse areas. This is which we call the intersectoral coordination, the multiple stakeholders taking advantage of the situation, and there is a free entry as well for the expo, which the general public can utilize it. So with this note, I think I would take this opportunity to wish the conference, the organizers, and all the events the grand success and wonderful takeoff, because this is the first healthcare summit, again a unique one and a great one, which is floated by Indus Foundation, because this should sustain. This should take off on a second next year, again June, healthcare summit as well. So this is the first conference, and it has to be a grand one, because the people across over the seas have realized its importance. I want people in the country and next door people to understand this. India is a little slow on this front, and I think this press meet is going to take this message far and wide. Thank you, sir.